Alright, it's the cold weather fig harvest. Oh, it's cucumber. Right here. Oh, this one's looking good. Let's take this one off. Beautiful fig right there. I think I saw another one up here. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Almost November here. Beautiful fig. Oh yeah, look at that one. I think I saw another one up here. Alright. Oh yeah. Let's get this guy off of the tree. Beautiful fig. Look at that. Alright, another tree in the yard. Look at this one. Alright, cold weather figs. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright. Cold weather figs. This one's not ready yet. Got figs and roses. My band from high school. Alright, spotted another one. There it is. Oh, that's a beautiful fig right there. Oh, beautiful cold weather figs. Nice and soft. Just starting to open. And no Teflon coming out. That's a ripe fig right there. Alright, these ones probably ain't gonna make it. Please like and subscribe to the videos. Leave your comments. Let me know how you're doing it. I can hear my friend the Cardinal here, so we're gonna sign off. We'll see you guys in the spring. Alright, and there he is. Right up there on the post, buddy. I put it right up there for you. You got it. You got it. Go for it. Here you go. There you go, buddy. There you go, bud. You got it. See you later. Go give it to his girlfriend. Alright, like and subscribe. Thanks.